Gen Prompt, Organize Your AI Prompts, is a CodeIgniter PHP and MySQL-based application that allows you to manage and organize your AI prompts online by category and AI tools. Gen Prompt is a Micro SaaS-based PHP software for organizing, storing, and managing prompts used for interacting with AI models. It helps users create, edit, version, and share prompts, ensuring consistency and efficiency by keeping them separate from the main application code. Some prompt managers also offer features like prompt optimization and collaboration tools. The Gen Prompt PHP script helps you store, organize, and optimize your AI prompts in one place, boosting your productivity with an intelligent prompt management system. Gen Prompt keeps all your AI prompts in one place. Gen Prompt admin users can categorize them by AI tool, search easily, and never lose a great prompt again. Its user-friendly interface makes it simple to create, edit, and manage your prompts. Gen Prompt is a ready-to-launch micro SaaS application that you can buy at an affordable price, $55 one-time payment with full source code, and start your own micro SaaS business in a day. It's a mobile responsive design that allows teams to manage AI prompts online with ease. PHPscriptsonline.com is the first PHP script development company offering ready-made micro SaaS projects with 100% source code. Gen Prompt is a subscription-based AI prompt management software that allows users to create up to 20 prompts for free, then charges $5 per month for unlimited prompts. After purchasing this script, the admin can easily change the subscription cost in the settings. The Gen Prompt Micro SaaS software also includes options to import prompts from Excel and export them to Excel. Gen Prompt PHP script has the following key modules: dashboard, admin, user login, categories, AI tools, manage prompts, subscription, manage users, import prompts from Excel, and export prompts to Excel. Buy Gen Prompt PHP script and start your own micro SaaS business today.